Hello, I'm in a 2015 Toyota Highlander, and today I'm going to show you how you're going to reset your maintenance required. So I got this symbol and it'll say maintenance required. So that's just a reminder to get your oil changes done. So once you've done your oil change, you'll put this off, and if you've got a push start, you'll just make sure the vehicle's turned off. If you've got your key, in a moment we're going to turn it to this accessory mode, but not completely on. And then if you've got a push start, you'll just push the button once. But at the same time you turn it on, we're gonna press and hold this. And then also from the on, you wanna make sure that it's on trip A as well, which you can toggle with this. So we're on trip A, so we'll turn this back off. And then at the same time I put this on accessory, I'm gonna hold this button down. So see if I can do this with one hand. So I'm pushing, now I'm in accessory. And those dashes counting down is the reset, and we're now reset. As you can see, all that maintenance required stuff is gone, and you can see if I start the vehicle fully, it'll be reset. But I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.